Right now, you're spinning. At the equator, the Earth turns at over 1,000 miles an hour, faster than a jet. You don't feel it, because everything moves with you. But what if, in a single instant, the Earth just stopped? If the spin stopped and you didn't, you'd keep going at 1,000 miles an hour. Everything not bolted to bedrock, cars, buildings, people, even the topsoil, would be ripped loose and hurled sideways in a heartbeat. The atmosphere wouldn't stop either. It would keep racing at supersonic speed, unleashing winds stronger than any hurricane in history, scouring the surface bare and setting whole continents on fire. The oceans carry that same momentum. Water would surge across the planet in mega-tsunamis miles high, swallowing coastlines and redrawing the map in minutes. And here's the strange part. Earth's spin makes it bulge at the equator. Stop spinning and gravity takes over. The oceans slowly drain away from the middle and pile up at the poles, splitting the world into two giant polar seas and one enormous ring of dry land. Then, time itself breaks. A day would no longer be 24 hours. It would last a full year. 6 months of relentless sun baking one side past boiling. 6 months of frozen darkness on the other. Deep inside, Earth's spinning molten core generates our magnetic field, the invisible shield that deflects deadly solar radiation. Slow the spin, and that shield begins to fade, letting the sun's radiation pour in. Auroras would vanish. Satellites in their carefully balanced orbits would drift and fall from the sky. GPS, global communication, the systems our world runs on, all gone. Almost all life would struggle against the heat, the cold, and the radiation. The mild, green world we know would be torn into violent extremes. But life rings on. In the narrow twilight band, between the burning day side and the frozen night side, a thin ribbon of survivable land might remain. Humanity's last refuge. Now, what if it stopped slowly, over millions of years, instead of in an instant? No killer winds, no tsunamis, but you'd still face the year-long day, the dying magnetic field, and a world of brutal extremes. Here's the good news. It can't just stop. Earth carries enormous momentum, and nothing could halt it overnight, although the moon is quietly slowing us down by about 2 milliseconds every century. Billions of years from now, our days will be far, far longer. So, could you survive a world that stopped turning? Tell us in the comments. Subscribe for more what-ifs. And if you missed it, watch what happens if the sun disappeared right here.